Hello everyone, welcome to Blackfish Marine. Today we're featuring the stunning 2018 Axopar 37 aft cabin. She is a sleek, versatile, and stylish vessel known for its exceptional design and performance. Today, I'll give you a detailed walkthrough from the outside to the inside. It features a distinctive sharp-edged hull with a flared bow, ensuring a smooth and stable ride even in choppy waters. Its modern Scandinavian design stands out with clean lines, sporty accents, and functional aesthetics. The modern helm station has premium leather-upholstered seats, a sporty steering wheel, and advanced navigation equipment, including a large GPS display, bow thruster, and digital throttles for precise handling. Accessed via sliding glass doors, the aft cabin features a spacious double berth with panoramic windows offering natural light and stunning views. Lockers, cupboards, and underbed storage keep personal belongings organized. The cozy salon features a U-shaped seating arrangement with a removable table, perfect for dining or socializing. Large wraparound windows and a retractable sunroof create a bright and airy atmosphere. Also, there's a fully enclosed bathroom, includes a toilet, sink, and shower. The 2018 Axopar 37 aft cabin is a top-tier yacht blending sporty performance with luxurious comfort. Its thoughtful design caters to both day trips and overnight stays, making it ideal for adventure seekers and leisure cruisers alike. Ready to experience the ultimate yachting lifestyle? Call us today to book your private viewing at Granville Island, Vancouver, BC.